We have some more breaking news coming in as far as Pope Francis's health condition is concerned. He is critical as we speak because of a lung respiratory crisis. And now the Vatican has released a statement saying that the Holy Father continues to be alert and spent the day in an armchair, although in more pain than yesterday. At the moment, the prognosis is reserved. 88-year-old Francis, who has been hospitalized for a week with complex lung infection, also received blood transfusions after tests showed a condition associated with anemia. First it was pneumonia, now there is anemia also. Doctors had said that Pope Francis was battling pneumonia and a complex respiratory infection that doctors say remains touch and go and will keep him hospitalized for at least another week. And this even as Vatican carried on with its Holy Year celebrations without the Pope on Saturday. And in a very brief update on Saturday, doctors said that Pope Francis slept well overnight despite him battling a health crisis. Moving on, as the Trump administration enforces stricter border policies, migrants stranded in Mexico are left facing uncertain futures. While US officials have reported a significant drop in border crossing, the reality on the ground tells a different story. Watch this report to know more.
The Trump administration is calling its border crackdown a success, citing a 36% drop in migrant apprehensions at the US-Mexico border in January. Now even stricter enforcement, migrants find themselves stranded in Mexico, unable to return home or move forward. With legal routes closing, many migrants are being pushed towards dangerous illegal crossings, fueling a rise in human smuggling. The tightening border policies have led to a growing demand for smugglers, whose operations often elude US border patrol and remain undetected in the official statistics of intercepted crossings. Mexican authorities have now agreed to coordinate patrols with US forces on their side of the border. This increased enforcement has made it even harder for migrants to find a safe passage. For thousands stuck in shelters across Mexico, the path forward remains uncertain. With no legal way into the United States and little chance of returning home, many are forced to take extreme risks. With Trump's second term marking a new chapter in US immigration policy, questions about its real impact continue to accumulate.